Welcome guys to DIY repairs. What do we got here? We got a water filter housing that we're gonna be fixing. So everything is made out of plastic nowadays. So the customer was trying to replace the water filter, which she did, but on the way she ended up breaking the water housing, so the door doesn't stay in place anymore. So we end up ordering a new piece. This is the bottom piece is pretty much pops in place, nothing, no screws, nothing. The hardest part to get it out will be the top, and that's the piece that broke off. So pretty much it doesn't have any screws. All you're gonna need is a flat screwdriver, and just kind of play with it and it will come out. Just a little bit of force. But again guys, I want to thank you guys for all my followers. Yeah, here it is. See, I was able to pop it out. Thank you for all the love. Thank you guys for sharing my videos, and thank you for helping this channel grow. So share it. Don't forget to follow and help the channel grow. And yeah, so here I'm monkeying with this, so I'm trying to get it out. Whirlpool overall is a good product. A lot of customers, a lot of people here in America, they have Whirlpool, so it's a good product. If you buy a new house, the new house is coming Whirlpool. So so this right here, that's pretty much what the housing look like. This is the new one. Remember the righty tighty, lefty loosey? That's pretty much how it works. So that's the new housing with the filter, so it pops in place. So that's it guys. So stay tuned for more. Another successful repair. That was a little piece that broke off, because everything is made out of plastic. So let me show you guys. Yeah, the little plastic there. So alright, see you on the next one. Stay tuned for more Whirlpool repair.